Namaskar. We welcome you at NYN Knowledge Center. In this video, we will see how to divide a straight part of unknown length into equal sizes. For example, here we have taken a piece of steel rod. In practical, you may take any other object. Let us start the video. To mark the equal distance on part, we take the help of geometry that many of you have learnt in your drawing subject. Here we divide the part into 6 equal pieces without measuring its dimension. We understand this in following 9 steps. Step 1. Draw a horizontal line AB on the suitable size of paper. From point A, draw another line AC perpendicular to line AB as shown in figure 2. Step 2. Put the part over an parallel line AB touching one end to the line AC. Draw another line DB perpendicular to line AB touching other end of part as shown in figure 3. Step 3. Remove the part and draw line AF on any suitable angle. For better result, angle between 25 to 40 will be more appropriate as shown in figure 4. Step 4. Now draw a line parallel to AF from point D. To draw this line, first draw an arc of suitable radius from point A that intersect line AF and AB as points S and T respectively. Further draw arc with same radius taking point D as center that intersect line AB at point T1. Again draw an arc from point T1 as center with radius ST that intersect previous arc at S1 as shown in figure 5. Step 5. Draw line DG passing through point S1 as shown in figure 6. Step 6. Draw arcs of same radius from points A that intersect line AF at O1. Same process repeat from O2, O3, O4, O5 and O6 respectively. Also repeat same activity on line DG starting from D with same radius that intersect line DG at point P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and point P6 as shown in figure 7. Step 7. Join the points A, P6, O6, D, O1, P5, O2, P4, O3, P3, O4, P2, O5, P1. Now, lines O1, P5, O2, P5, O3, P3, O4, P2 and O5, P1 intersect AD at points L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5 respectively as shown in figure 8. Step 8. Draw lines perpendicular to the AD from points L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5. Length of lines must be more than the width of the part, that is to be divided into 6 number of pieces as shown in figure 9. According to geometrical property, AL1 is equal to L1 L2 equal to L2 L3 equal to L3 L4 equal to L4 L5 equal to L5 D. Now this property we will use to divide the part. Step 9. Again put the part between line AC at DE parallel to line AB as shown in figure 10. In the line of the L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5, mark on part as shown in figure in red color. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal sizes marked and you can cut by any suitable method. All the pieces will be equal in length. That is what our requirement. Here in this process we have never used any scale or other measuring equipment. Simply we use straight putty and compass. I hope you will find this knowledgeful and maybe useful to you. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thanks.